Hello and welcome, this is Photography Adventures with Mr. Solomon. This is the first video. Today I'm just going to show you some different bits of equipment that we have. First of all, we have the Olympus OMD Mark II EM5 camera. Second, we have the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark I. We have two of these which you can use in school. We also have a variety of Canon cameras, macro extension tubes, 18 to 55mm lenses, 55mm portrait lenses, fisheye lens, 300mm telephoto lens, manual lenses, telephoto adapters, macro adapters, wide angle adapters, ultraviolet filters, caps for blocking sunlight, filters with crosses all over them, filters with holes in them, colour filters, halftone colour filters, and best of all, we can look at some old cameras. Why is there a pen on the back of that one? What does this do? Why does it do that? And as well as helping you with some of the tasks that I get you to do, either as homework or in lesson, I thought we could do some other stuff, like having a look inside some of these cameras, finding out how they work. I thought also we could maybe talk about some things you could build or things you could help me make after school. So please like and subscribe to stay up to date, to find out what kind of adventures you can have with me on this channel, finding out all about photography. Until next time, bye bye.
Mr. Solomon, welcome to his class. Today you're going to learn some photography, not economic geography. Take a seat. Make sure your work is not incomplete. Before you go in class, make sure your shoes are neat, just like Mr. Solomon's feet.